This episode has it all, people. It has swimming. Whoa, it has swimming, all right. It has hanging out at a fancy hotel in the middle of nowhere. It has stand-up paddleboarding. I can't remember if I mentioned the swimming before, but it has that swimming too. It has wakeboarding. It's got wakeboarding crashes. It's got a hotel shower scene. Oh la la. That's enough of that. You may have missed it before, but yes, there is also some swimming. Coming up in this week's Sailing Into, hey, how did that slip in there? All coming up in Sailing Into Freedom. Don't stop me now, I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now, I'm having such a good time. Just give me a call. Don't stop me, I'm having a good time. Don't stop me, I'm having a good time. I don't want to stop at all. Yeah. Margarita Princess requires a little head rub 3 times a day for all the effort she's doing.
I have a headache, and who told it is? What are you doing there, Stanka? You're not allowed. Out. No sofa. Not for you. It's for humans.
That's how I get treated in the morning too.
So one of the first things that we come and do in the morning is turn on the generator because it had the batteries had drained during all the night. A nice sec opening this door. Peter has to do it for me.
It was already open.
Sanka, breakfast.
Sanka, come here.
Fuera. Sim. Desayuno. Vamos desayunar? Lindo. Vai, pode comer.
I think it's cruel to give dog biscuits, so I'm going into the butcher's today and I'm going to buy him bones.
Come on.
That's what dogs like.
Come on. Important things, boots, because you're gonna go in muddy territory. Oh. This is our morning ritual.
I put my boots on. These are called Australian boots. Yeah, I know, people. I usually refer to them as my Chinese work boots. But I can't anymore, you see. My Chinese audience is soaring to over 300%. That's right, I now have 4 viewers from China.
Push on all the circuit breakers to make sure they're inside. Start. Turn on the choke and then
And there is me getting taught another lesson for the day. Check.
Clean, silky hair. Now time to do lunch. Well, it's gonna be a late lunch because it's getting late. Loin. Just gonna marinate it, give it some flavor. Turmeric, some basil. I might have done a mistake. I put salt. I forgot that I was going to put soy sauce. Soy sauce. This is how it looks. It's gonna be yummy. Just gonna let it marinate like for 20-30 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. And well, I'm just gonna be constantly turning it on and basting it more so it's yummy and tasty. And risotto.
Why would you ever eat out, people? Looks like everyone's kicked a goal. Boat's really close to the mangrove. Let's go check it out. Yeah, I think it looks alright. I mean, we're close to the mangroves, but mangroves are soft. Alright, gee, it looked close up there, at the top there. Oh well. Well, better safe than sorry. This hotel is a bit like a boat. It's got a big battery bank, well, a few, and it's got water collection. But we're having problems with getting enough power out of the batteries, so I suspect the water is down. Hopefully that's it. If it's not, well, I'll make sure I top everything up anyway, then I'll charge it up, and then I have to then disconnect all the batteries and then check them out, say, the morning or a few hours later. And I think the next test is, well, charge them all up again and then disconnect them all again. Blah, blah, blah. God, I rabbit on sometimes. Basically, do a load test and see which batteries don't recover. You can see there's a heap of corrosion here, and look, this is loose. So you can bet that all the corrosion has crept all the way around. So the contacts on this one, I don't think there's any contact. So this entire battery bank, this whole level, is now under the 48 volts because all of these are in series. 8 batteries at 6 volts. So this is not doing anything for any of our power upstairs. So it's a complete waste just from this. So I'm going to clean that up and refasten it. This one's not looking too good either, but at least that's solid. And this one here, this is also loose and it's corroded, so there's probably very little contact, if any contact there. So I've cleaned them up, so that should be good. Now there could be a bung battery or shorts in them, we don't know, but we'll discover that in due course. You may be wondering why I'm never wakeboarding. Well, this poor little 10 horsepower won't lift my sorry ass out of the water. So basically it's all for Margarita, to try and basically erode the exile memories from my brain. We're gonna need lots of these smiles, people, to get it back on track. That was Margarita's jump. Drop effort.
Very tiny jump. You couldn't see it. What I did was just like, but it was a jump. Maybe next time I can do it.
As this is a learning channel, the scientific name for these jellyfish is headstanders with arse up to the skyus. Some marine biologists may disagree, but I'm not one to find fault with people. Oh wow, a double people.
Barking, giving us the alarm. The veggie lunch had just arrived and we didn't have to go to town and buy it. Él me pidió la... Quiero muchas cosas para enviar lista.
Puede pasar,
Me
todo
puede
está en la
comprar todo lo que
jugada.
tenga el bote un solo cliente si él lo quiere, ¿no? Y yo no le voy a decir que no.
Las sumas tengan que dar.
Okay, I got a couple of beers for the fruit guys. They save us a big hassle and so they need beers. It's just the way it is. Amigo,
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
you're welcome. It's not too bad a gig we have here. It's certainly easy to get videos done with more of an electrical supply and not running the engine all the bloody time. But I can't help but notice the lack of adventure. Margarita is all smiles though, and after not seeing her smile for such a long time while we were exiled, it's wonderful to see. To all our patrons out there, don't forget to check our Patreon page once every week or so for videos just for you guys. And PayPalers, don't you worry, I'll be sending links of these videos to you too. Have a great week and a good night.